Standard first, subject maths. Hello students, today we are going to learn about the topic subtraction up to 20 by counting backward. Meenu has 12 chocolates. She wanted to give 4 of them to her friend. How many chocolates are remaining in Meenu's hand? To know this, we should know how to subtract numbers. So let us study subtraction of numbers up to 20 by counting backward. As you already know, minus is the sign for subtraction. Subtraction means taking away. Before we start our lesson, let's recall how to count backward from 20. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now let us see some examples. Here we have number 8. We have to subtract number 5. Which is a bigger number? 8. We have to minus 5. So we have to keep 8 in mind and take 5 fingers. How many fingers? 5 fingers. Now count backward from 8. Before 8, 7. Before 7, 6. Before 6, 5. Before 5, 4. Before 4, 3. So the answer is 3. So 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. Now see another example. Which is the bigger number? 12. We have to subtract 4 from 12. 12 minus 4. So 12 in mind and take 4 fingers. So I am going backward. Before 12, 11. Before 11, 10. 9, 8. So the answer is 8. So 12 minus 4 is equal to 8. Now let us see some more examples. 16 minus 7. So which is the bigger number? Yes, 16. And which is the smaller number? 7. So the number 16 keep in mind and 7 in hand. We have to keep 7 fingers. Yes, we have to count backward from 16. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10 and 9. So the answer is 9. So 16 minus 7 is equal to 9. Next example. 17 minus 5. Now which is the bigger number here? Yes, it is 17, isn't it? Bigger number is 17 and the smaller number is 5. So which number we have to keep in mind? Yes, 17. Now take 5 fingers in the hand and count backward. 16, 15, 14, 13 and 12. So the answer is 12. So 17 minus 5 is equal to 12. 19 minus 3. So which is the bigger number? Yes, 19. So keep the number 19 in mind. And how many fingers you have to take? Yes, we have to take 3 fingers. And we have to count backward. So let us take 3 fingers and count backward from 19. 18, 17, 16. So the answer is 16. So 19 minus 3 is equal to 16. 13 minus 6. Now here, which is the bigger number? 13. So keep 13 in mind and 6 in hand. How many fingers? 6 in hand. So take your 6 fingers. Yes, 6 fingers are here. Now count backward from 13. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8 and 7. The answer is 7. So 13 minus 6 is equal to 7. 14 minus 8. Which is the bigger number here? 14. So keep 14 in mind and 8 in hand. How many fingers? 8 in hand. So take your 8 fingers. Yes, 8 fingers are here. Now count backward from 14. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. The answer is 6. So 14 minus 8 is equal to 6. 15 minus 6. Which is the bigger number here? 15. So keep 15 in mind and 6 in hand. How many fingers? 6 in hand. So take your 6 fingers. Yes, 6 fingers are here. Now count backward from 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. The answer is 9. So 15 minus 6 is equal to 9. 18 minus 3. Which is the bigger number here? 18. So keep 18 in mind and 3 in hand. How many fingers? 3 in hand. So take your 3 fingers. Yes, 3 fingers are here. Now count backward from 18. 17, 16, 15. The answer is 15. So 18 minus 3 is equal to 15. So students, I hope you understood this topic properly. So now it's homework time. Subtract the following by counting backward. Hope you enjoyed today's class. Thank you.